morning, students. Yesterday we completed our Unit 2, a gift of chapels. Also, we completed the exercise, okay, and working with the text as well as the working with the language together with additional question. And this is the second revision part of it, the unit. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. So there are 10 MCQs we are going to write. So choose the correct option. We know the stories. Okay. The grandmother takes Mridu to Rukmani's house. She is pulled by Meena, Ravi and to backyard. Also, she was shown the kitten. So, all these MCQs are related to the chapter. So, the first one is the grandmother took Mridu to. So, at the beginning of the chapter, we know that grandmother took Mridu to Rukmani auntie's house. So, here four options are given: Ruku's house, Mani's house, music teacher, or Rukmani's house. So, my dear children, you know the right answer. At the beginning of the second line or first line, it is written that she was taken to Rukmani's auntie's house. Okay. Second is the pair of the chapel was the chapel which the Mridu had seen in the veranda as soon as she entered into Rukmani's house. Okay, she had seen a chapel. And what type of chapels it was? Was it tall, quite small, covered with dust, or both A and C? Okay, covered with dust or both A and C. So, any guesses? And your guess will be option C. It was really covered with a lot of dust, and because the dust was on those chapels, the color had become a grey color. Number 3, Ravi got the milk for the kitten from. We know Ravi had gone to the kitchen to take a milk for the kitten, and when he was taking the milk from the kitchen, he saw grandmother is there. Grandmother is looking, but just Ravi wanted to mislead the grandmother. Okay, and hidingly he brought milk for the kitten from where? From the kitchen. So here four options are there: the market, the kitchen, the cupboard, and the fridge. But the right answer is the kitchen. From the kitchen, the Ravi had brought milk for the kitten. To impress Mridu, Ravi spoke high of MP Punai. We know when Ravi showed Mridu a kitten, he wanted to show a very highly of him. So he was saying lot of things about MP Punai, a king of Mahabalipuram. So in order to impress Mridu, to show off his knowledge as he was related to it, or both A and B. So the right answer is here actually to impress Mridu also. So he wanted to show that he has a lot of knowledge about history. So that also was there. He wanted to impress Mridu also and to show off his knowledge. So the right answer is both A and C. Both A and B is the right answer. A creaking sound. We know a creaking sound was coming from where? From where Mridu and Ravi were in the backyard. They heard a creaking sound from a window. It was the sound like Ravi is comparing with a train which is going out of a track. So creaking sound. A creaking sound made whom frightened? That is the question here. Whom it made frightened? So here four options. Then she goes to MP Punai, maybe it made MP Punai to shiver more, because we know that hearing a creaking sound, Mridu and kitten both were frightened. Actually, kitten put the chilies which was kept in the courtyard for drying, and he put him also. So send shivers to MP Pune, startled Mirdu, frightened Manindran, or both B and C. So what is the right answer? So it was startled Mirdu and frightened Mahendra. So option D is the right answer. Both B and C are the right answer. Okay. So these 5 MCQs we will go once again through it. So these 5 MCQs and other MCQs we will be going through when we will have a semester exam. So number 6 is the chappals given to music master. So the chappal were given to music master, and we know why it was given to, because his chappals were given to beggar by the children. So it pleased him, displeased him, irritated him, or were refused by him. So the chappals which were given to music master, what happened with that? He was very pleased, he was displeased seeing the chappals, or irritated him that he did not get his old chappals, or were refused by him, or he refused to take another chappal. But we know the right answer. The answer A is the right answer, that the chappals given to music master pleased him. The beggar raised his voice too. The beggar came near the gate and he raised his voice for what? To beg for money, beg for alms, beg for food and rest, or beg for rest. We know that since the 1 week the beggar was continuously coming to this house for begging, and he was having the food also, as well as he was taking a little rest. So the right answer is answer C, to beg for food and take little rest, then walk further. On seeing the chappals, the music master, seeing the new chappal, what were the reactions of the music master? So here it is given, he was too happy, grew angry, picked them up to keep in his bag, or sat down to wear them. So the right answer is he was too happy. Why he was too happy? Because his chappal are lost, given by children to beggar, and again he had to spend the whole money for buying a new chappal. So he was too happy to get a new chappals, that in order that he will save his own money. The music master was experienced his music. So here the answer will be, what's the both A and C will be the right answer, because the music master was very experienced teacher. His music was a melodious music. When Mirdu, Meena and Ravi heard from the window, a screeching sound was coming from the Lali's violin, because Lali was going out of the track. So the music master was experienced and his music had high notes. That also can be to impress Lali or could not be learned by Lali. So there are two answers, both B and C. It was to impress Lali. He was just going on playing the music by himself, and the Lali was going out of the track. So option B, to impress Lali, and option C, could not be learned by Lali, is the right answer. So option D, both B and C are the right answer. The chappals were given to beggar because. The chappals were given to beggars because. The chappals which were given to beggars because. How was the chappal? The chappals which were given to beggar, how was the chappals? These chappals were dirty? Yes. Actually the chappals which was given to beggar, it was dirty. Okay? The chappals which were given to beggar, it was very dirty. Okay? The chappals which were given to beggar, it was very dirty. They belong to the music master. Yes, the chappal was belonging to the music master. the children had taken pity on the beggar. What happened? Actually, the Mirdu concluded in his mind when he saw the blisters of beggar. She concluded and she suggested to both of them that we should give something to him. So the children had taken pity on the beggar, and Ravi was a naughty boy. Actually, the answer C is the right answer. Answer C is the right answer. Why it is the right answer? Because the children had taken pity on the beggar and given the slippers of music master. So these are our revision part of 10 MCQ. Please complete it in your notebook in the revision part. Continuous, I mean. Have a good day and thank you to all.